Hello everyone, welcome to you my YouTube channel VBA Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new to the channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get updated videos. So guys, in this video we will talk about VBA code to match one column value to the other column values if values is in different order, right? So let's go to the problem what we have exactly. So here we have a row data in two columns. Just simply match this column value to this column values. But here as you can see that this value is in different order. So how would I do this? Or how would I match this value with the help of VBA code? So the logic would be I simply pick up a single word from this string or from this rows and just match this whole rows and so on, and then pick up the second and then pick up the again. So this logic would be apply on this. Right. So for this, I'm going to on the VB editor, and here I have already written a code to make this video short because the code is a little bit big, so that will take more time, right? So here I'll simply explain each and every line of code to you guys. Here, right? Simply I have set up one variable type of worksheet, and in this variable I simply just set the worksheet where my data is accessed, and here I simply calculate the last blank rows, right? And I simply here apply a for loop which start from true to blank rows, and here I simply get the length, right? So get the length means I simply here total length of this and minus total length of, I simply remove the spaces from this, right? And then get the length, right, by which we can iterate the loop, right, to pick up the one word, right, from the string. So here I simply set the first row value, that is second column value, in the dummy text variable and simply apply a for loop to pick up or to iterate the values, right, to pick up the values one by one from the second column. Here I simply, so now you can see that here. And here I simply get the, by using a let function, I simply get the first or pick the first word from the string here simply. And again, I simply trim the word, what we have. And here I simply apply a if condition. And in the if condition, I use a in str function. In str function basically returns a values more than zeros if the values exist in the string. So I simply pick up the one word and check that this word exists in this rows or not. If this value greater than 0 means if word is exist, then value I have uh, one boolean type variable, right, type. So value checker is true, else value checker is false, then go to the cnd. So cnd, if I simply check, right, now you can see that if value does not exist, so simply go to the cnd and check here that value is true, then match, otherwise value is unmatched, right? So now you can see that here I simply go to here, if value is matched, so I simply, what I'll do is I'll simply remove the word which is matched, right? I simply remove that word from the string, right, from the rows, right? Let's suppose here I'm just go to the data. If I pick up the same word and it's matching this, then I simply remove sing word from this. Now my, in the string I would have just Kumar, Amit. So this is my logic actually on this. So here I have apply a condition. If k is not equal to length text, then go to the cnd. All right, that is cnd means if I have a values, then go to the uh, next values to pick the next values. So this will loop continuously running, right? So now this is the logic. So once I execute the code, so you will see the output, right? Okay. So here I have, at the last, I have applied a condition, that is, if value checker is true, then match, otherwise it's unmatched, right? And the one more condition I have here, I'll just tell you. If suppose I have a last word, all right? So in that case, I'll simply apply a condition if last word, if k equal to the length of word. Mean if I have a last word, so in that case, I'll simply go to the ABC. So for the last word, not using, I'm not go to in this part. I'm simply direct go to the this part, right? If last word exists in this word, so it's simply value checker would be true, otherwise value checker would be false, right guys? So this is the code behind, to match the one column value with the another column values, right guys? So once I execute the values, so now you can see the output here. Now you can see that here I have only this value is matched, this is unmatched, and this is matched. So why it is unmatched? Because now you can see that Kumar Pandey, here you can see the spell of Pandey is incorrect according to this. Here we have Pandey, but here we have a Panday. So that's why it's unmatched, right guys? So guys, that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe it to get updated videos guys. So guys, thank you, thanks for the watching.